Breaking news. Youth storm Plateau Assembly for impeached speaker. Hello, my wonderful people. It's happening now as we speak. As early as 6 a.m., Plateau State House of Assembly was surrounded by youths of the states. This is the speaker. Remember what happened in Plateau State? That is just where they said some Fulanese who were coming from Ondo State. We don't know the relationship of how all that played out. However, we remember that the thing led into killings and what have you, and even the killings have still not stopped. It has still not stopped. God will let it stop so that people can live their life peacefully. However, this is what is going on. The Speaker of the House was very bold and continued to say that the government should bring those people who are not killing to justice, and was supporting the people and telling them that they will do this, they will do that. Before you knew it, remember, we kept you up to date. Apple Line Media, we're very particular. We kept you up to date that all of a sudden the house assembly members got to the place for one day, and before you could say Jack Robinson, the house was taken over by government officials from Abuja, because the speakers were speaking and in condemning some of the Fulanese activities, the killings. And so the plan has been on, and one of the things is to eliminate those people who seemingly do not seem to share their interest. The speaker has been impeached. We brought you up to date. Now, the youth are crying for reinstatement. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. These are some of the policies, dirty politics going on. If you don't support the Fulani regime, these are some of the things. Some youths besieged the Plateau Assembly on Monday morning. The action of youths who arrived at the complex as early as 6 a.m. may be connected to the crisis rocking the assembly over the controversial impeachment of the former speaker, Ayeba Abuk, last Thursday by 8 out of 24 lawmakers, which is never part of it. If someone is to be impeached, it must be 13 to 11. 12 on 12, it cannot be impeached. However, 8 who has been found to be of the same religion, the same faith, have come against the speaker who is of a different faith to them. The youth carrying placards with inscription in support of the impeached speaker said he must be reinstated. They demanded that the reinstatement, as security agencies took over the complex to prevent breakdown of law and order. This has been going on for some time because the speaker has been against the Fulani's activity, which has skyrocket in recent times after the issue of some Fulanis killed when they were coming back from uh, Ondo State. So this is what is going on right now. Some people, I mean, I don't know how security operatives are already there to ensure that they reinstate or prevent the breakdown of law and order. But what is particularly happening now? Plateau State is a very, I mean, what has happened recently, some people were very not happy, with the governor for, neither being here nor there. Okay, the governor's mouth was neither here nor there. I mean, with all that happened, you could see the killings going on and all that followed on from that. The incident of some Fulanese who they said were in a bus, and the youths of one particular town or whatever attacked them. You see, and that has sparked up a lot of killings that have been going on in that area. However, they called for ceasefire, law and order. However, I mean, but these things keep happening. Okay, people are still dying, a lot is still going on, a lot is still happening on that front. And so what has happened recently is that the speaker of the house, who supported the youth, and they were part of those who were revoking and saying it is not done. Remember that time we brought you up to speed that before you could say Jack Robinson, the federal government, they came one morning, and the House of Assembly members woke up and I mean, the police and all the soldiers, security agencies were as there as they as the dawn of the day. They were there before you could say Jack Robinson, as early could be described. Before they could resume to say they were getting calls saying don't go there, or there are security operative agencies all over, don't go there, blah 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 blah. And so everybody stay put. And since then, these people have been targets, especially the speaker, because it's just like the head. If the head is calling and is giving direction in a particular matter, that means we have to target the head. You see, so what has happened is just is a mixture of people of both religion. I mean, like the two most prominent religion in Nigeria, talking about Christians and Islam. Yeah, and so this at eight they have 24 lawmakers in Jos, and the eight belong to a different religion to the speaker. Others were not there that day. The eight categorically planned it. Eight of them were there, and they voted the speaker out. Now, if the speaker is going to be voted out or spoken against, it's not by eight people. At least more than half, one quarter of the house, at least 18 people should be there out of 24. At least 18 people. However, these eight came together and they've carried out and they've put one of their own. This is what the youth, and they said this guy has been speaking, bringing laws that support the interest of those, okay, of those who are of his faith in Jos. You see, so this is what is happening, and that's why the youths are coming out to say you can't oppress us. We've seen these things happen again and again. Nigeria is no longer, I repeat, it's no longer a democratic setting. If you think that is what is happening, please have a rethink. It's not what is going on. Nigeria now is being transformed, is being turned. Okay, we have a different set of people, different ideology, going on. Our democracy has been redefined. What you call democracy is no longer we ain't got no democracy in this country. No, we don't have that. What we have is dictatorship. As a matter of fact, the time of General Sani Abacha was even more pleasant than what we are experiencing today. People cannot come out categorically to say we are not happy and express themselves. They will be gunned down. Okay, if you want to be a living witness, you might not live to tell the story. NSAS is a living proof. You don't need more examples. I mean, this is what happened every now and again. So the youth are standing up. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now.